To make sure your Ricoh Theta 360 camera is performing correctly when connected to the Inventory Hive app, one of the key things is to make sure the camera itself has got plenty of storage space to save your photos that you'll take. The reason that is that when it's connected to the Inventory Hive app, if there's not enough space on the camera itself to save the photos, then the photos won't load in accordingly. This will cause issues such as load spinning and problems when taking the photos during the inspection report. So I'm going to show you now how to delete photos off your camera. So I've connected the Theta camera to the Theta app here, and I'm going to show you now how to delete the photos. So as you'll see from my screen recording on the right hand side, connected to the camera, I'm just going to click on Camera Images, and when I tap there, it will bring up all the images that are stored on the camera itself. So I can see all the images here. On the top right hand side, I'm just going to click the little tick button and then select the photos I want to delete. So I'm just going to select all these photos here, then I click the delete button and delete again, and those photos will get deleted off the camera. This will make sure the camera itself will have plenty of storage when going to take photos during the inspection report.